Guys, welcome back to Isaac's Kitchen, and today we're making air fryer pizza pockets. And these are the things you will need. Make sure to use white bread because brown bread doesn't work. Now press the middle down of your bread. Fill the inside with your pizza sauce, then add some cheese. Don't have any mozzarella, so I'm just adding a slice of cheddar. Get your mug and crack an egg into it. Brush some egg wash on the side so it sticks. Now fold and press the edges down like so. Now brush the whole thing with egg wash. I don't have to do this, but I'm going to duplicate it. And again. Air fry for 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
A few moments later.
Okay, they're done. Let's try. Oh yeah. Okay, time for the test. 10 out of 10 recommend. Thank you, A Fit Waffle, for the inspiration for this video. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description.